You can crop this image to your liking, or you can even expand it if you have Canva Premium. So if you want, hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock a background on Canva using your Canva mobile application. We already have a design here that we're showing, and what we're going to do is to unlock this. So let's say you have this design and you don't like how it's looking. You don't like how it's being put, and you want to move your background and probably change it a bit, and suddenly you realize it's been locked, maybe by accident, or you did it on purpose and you somehow forgot how to unlock it again. Well, it's pretty much easy. What you just need to do is to click on the background that you have here, and then you just click on the lock that you have right there. And as you can see, once you've done that, you can now move your background. But if it was locked, how do you know to lock it? You just click on the lock button there. What you can do though is you can crop it. If you hold it for a while or double click on it, you can crop this image to your liking, or you can even expand it if you have Canva Premium. So if you want, you can check down the link in the description, and then you'll see that there is a link for Canva Pro that you'll be able to use for 30 days free trial, so you don't have to pay for anything, and only do you pay after you've done using it for 30 days. But for before that day arrives, you can always cancel it so that you don't have to pay for anything. So what are you waiting for? You can try it out and you'll see for yourself. So once again, there's multiple ways of locking this. You click that and then you'll see that there's lock, where you can edit it a bit, like what you just saw earlier. You can crop it, and then if you press it again, you'll see that it is fully locked, and then all you can just access are the text that you have on your design. So now it's now set to that, so no one can move it. And even if you send the link to someone, they're viewing it, they editing it, they can't move it either. That's it. That is how you can unlock a background on your Canva design using Canva Mobile. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.